Good evening everyone. I am Abraar. I am working as assistant professor in St.JOSEPH'S Institute of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about 9-speed gearbox. So the problem is a 9-speed gearbox used as a headstock gearbox for a turret lathe is to provide a speed range of 190 rpm to 1800 rpm is a standard step ratio. Draw the speed diagram and a kinematic layout. So they have mentioned the speed as 9. Then they have given minimum RPM as 180, maximum RPM as 1800. So for this speed diagram and kinematic layout, we need to draw. So it is the given data. So objective is the ray diagram and kinematic diagram. So first step we need to find out the progression ratio or step ratio. So n max by n minimum equal to psi power n minus 1. That formula we need to use. So psi power n minus 1 equal to n max by n minimum. Already they have given n max and n minimum. So in small n value as 9. So from this we need to find out the psi value. So psi value is 1.33. Now we need to check in the data book R5 series, R20 series, R40 series. With that value we need to compare this step ratio. If this step ratio matches with that series value, directly we can take that value. Otherwise we need to multiply 2 more times or 3 more times or 4 more times. We need to multiply that value. That multiplied value have to match this step ratio, then we can take that series. Now I have taken R20 series as well as R40 series. If I multiply 1.112 2 more times, I will get the 1.404. If I multiply 1.06 4 times extra time, then I get the 1.338. So now I can choose R40 series because 1.338, here also 1.33. So R40 series is more closest to step ratio value. So I am choosing R40 series. So now I have taken R40 series from the data book. So 1.06, 1.12, 1.18. But here the main thing is we have chosen R40 series. The 1.06 value I have multiplied 4 times extra. So I need to skip 4 values from the data book R40 series value. So here 4 value I have skipped. Here also I have skipped 4 value. So like that I have to skip 4 value to get the required speed. So minimum RPM is 180, so that I have multiplied with 180. So it is a first speed, it is a second speed, it is a third speed. Like that I need to find out the 9 speeds for this problem. Then it is a structural formula. So 9 speed, so 3 into 3, 9. If it is 12, 2 into 3 into 3. If it is 18, 3 into 3 into 2. So because of it is a 9-speed gearbox, I have chosen 3 into 3. Obviously in first bracket I have to put 1. In second bracket I have to put this value here. So here the 3 value is there, so I have shifted this value here. So 3 into 1, it is a 3 into 3. It is a 2-stage process. If it is a 12-speed gearbox, 3 into 2 into 2, that is 3-stage process. In this structural formula, we have only 2 stages. So if it is 2 stages, we need to draw 3 vertical lines. So that vertical line represents as a shaft. So that is a 2-stage. So we have drawn 3 vertical lines. It is a first stage, it is a second stage. It is a 9-speed gearbox, so I have to draw 9 horizontal line. So whatever speed I have calculated, that I have to mention here, that the structural formula I have to write here. So 180, 237, 324, 424, like that I have mentioned all the speeds. So here I have written the structural formula. So 3 speeds I have to mark with the gap of 3. So first speed I am marking 180, then I have to give the gap of 3 speed, then I have to give the gap of 3 speeds. Like that I have to mark 3 speeds. So first I choose 180 as a speed, then I am giving the gap 3 speed, so 424, then again I am giving the gap 3, so 1008 I have chosen. So now I need to choose the input speed that should satisfy the formula. That formula is n max by n minimum divided by n input should be greater than or equal to 1 by 4, and n max by n input should be less than or equal to 2. So instead of memorizing this formula, you have to divide the maximum value by 2, multiply with minimum RPM as 4. So 4 into 180, here 1008 divided by 2. So 1080 divided by 2, approximately we will get 504. So 4 into 180, 400, approximately 700 something. So 500 to 700 something, I have to choose the value. So 500 to 700. So I have to choose. So approximately I am choosing 567. Here I have to mark 3 speed with a gap of 1. So another speed will be here, another speed will be here. So here I have marked 3 speeds. Now I need to mark input speed here. So it will be the minimum speed. The minimum speed will be the 567. The maximum speed will be the 1008. So here I have to divide by 2. Here I have to multiply by 4. So 4 into 500, approximately 2000. Here divided by 2, 500. So 500 to 2000, I can choose any value. So even you can choose 1800 or 1350 or 1008, whatever value you can choose. More than 500, you can choose any values. So I am choosing 1800 as a value. Now I have to connect all these 3 lines. So now I have connected all these 3 lines. So this we have to take as a reference. This is the main diagram for us. Next we need to draw a parallel line. That parallel line should be parallel to the DA and parallel to this line and parallel to this line. So for DA I have to parallel one line, then parallel to DB I need to draw another line. So parallel to DC I have drawn another line. So like that I have to do for F speed also. So parallel to DA line, now I am drawing one line. Then parallel to DB, now I am drawing. Okay, now we have drawn the ray diagram. So now I have to draw the parallel line for this. So parallel to the DA, I have to draw one parallel line. Parallel to the DB, I have to draw another parallel line. So parallel to DC, I have to draw another parallel line. So I have drawn the parallel line, parallel to the DA, so parallel to the DB. Then now we have to draw parallel to the DC, I have to draw. So I have to do the same thing for F speed also. So parallel to the DA, now parallel to the DB, now parallel to the DC. So like this we have to draw the kinematic diagram. Next. So it is a 2-stage 9-speed gearbox. 9-speed gearbox. In first shaft, I have put three gearbox. In second shaft, I have put 3 gearbox. So 3 into 3, 9. So with this 3 gearbox, with this 3 gear, it is a 3 pair gear. So with this 3 gear, it is a 3 pair gears. So the 12 is a larger gear, 8 is a medium gear, 10 is a smaller gear. Here 6 is a larger gear, 2 is a medium gear, 4 is a smaller gear. So for larger speed I have to choose the 11-12 pair. For medium speed I have to choose 7-8. For lower speed I have to choose the 9-10, because if gear size is larger, the speed will be less. If gear size is smaller, the speed will be more. So by using that concept only, we have to do this. So now our first speed is 180. So 180, it is a 424, it is a 1008. So see this red color alone. So from 567 to 180. Okay, this is the lowest speed. I have to choose the larger gear for this. So I have to choose the larger gear. So here also the larger gear is 6. So 5, 6, 11, 12 combination, 180 RPM. So 5, 6, 11, 12. So the next speed is 567 to 180. The next speed is 567 to 424. So for this 5, 6, 11, 12, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Next combination is 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is second combination. The third combination will be 5, 6, 9, 10 will be the third combination. 5, 6, 9, 10 will be the third combination. If you see the ray diagram, so 3 red color line will be there. So this is one red color, another red color line, another red color line. These 3 pairs we are deriving like this. So 5, 6, 11, 12, then 5, 6, 7, 8, then 5, 6, 9, 10. Then 1, 2, then 1, 2, 11, 12, sorry. So now we have seen the first step, the 5, 6, 11, 12, then 5, 6, 7, 8, then 5, 6, 9, 10. So the next pair will be 1, 2, 11, 12. 1, 2, 1, 2, 11, 12. The next set will be 5, 1, 2, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 9, 10. That will be the third. 1, 2, 9, 10. Then third will be 3, 2, 11, 12. So 3, 4, 11, 12. Then 3, 4, 7, 8. Then 3, 4, 9, 10. So this is the combination. So this series will be useful for the finding the RPM. So now we need to find out the number of teeth calculation in second stage. First we need to go to the ray diagram. So the RPM is 567 to 180. It is in second stage, it is a first pair 567 to 180. Second pair will be 567 to 424. Then third pair will be 567 to 1008. So it will be 5, 6, 1, 2. This will be 3, 4 like this. So if you see in the kinematic diagram, last 3 speeds. So in second stage we have 3 speeds. It will be the larger gear for the slower speed. For the lower speed I have to choose 11, 12 as a pair. Then the next pair will be 7, 8. Then next pair will be 9, 10. So for first thing I have to choose the 11, 12 as the gear pair. 11, 12 as the gear pair. In second stage I have chosen 567 to 180. So 11, 12 as a gear. So minimum number of gear we can consider as 20. So here we have chosen 11, 12. So Z11 divided by Z12 will be equal to N12 divided by N11. That formula I can use. Z11 I can assume it as a 20. The main rule is it should be any number of teeth should be greater than or equal to 17. So we are assuming it as a 20. So Z12 divided by Z11 equal to N11 divided by N12. Here I am substituting. So Z12 equal to N11 by N12 into Z11. So N11 already we know 567, N12 we know 180. So Z11 is 20. So my speed Z12 will be equal to 63. Z12 will be equal to 63. So Z11 already we have assumed it is a 20. Now we need to second stage, second pair we need to go. Second stage, second pair. As per gear wise, for first pair we have chosen 11, 12. For second pair we need to choose 7, 8. The speed will be, gear will be 7, 8. The speed will be the speed will be 567 to 424. Previously we have done 567 to 180. Now we need to move 567 to 424. The gear is 7, 8. Previously we have done now I am moving second pair. In second stage I am choosing second pair. So 567 to 424 I am choosing 7 to 8. So 7 to 8 means, so Z7 divided by Z8 equal to N8 divided by N7. So 7 to 8. So N7 will be 567, N8 will be 424. I have to substitute now. So Z7 divided by Z8 equal to N8 divided by N7. So N7 value we know 567, N8 value we know that is 424. So that value is 0.75. So Z7 equal to 0.75 times of Z8. Z7 equal to 0.75 times of Z8. Already we know one formula. Z7 plus Z8 equal to Z9 plus Z10 equal to Z11 plus Z12. That formula we can write. But already we have found Z11 and Z12 only. Now we need to find out Z7. So we are taking these two pair alone. So Z11 plus Z12 equal to Z7 plus Z8. Already we know that Z11 equal to 20. Already Z12 already we have found. Z7, Z8 we know the equation. Now we are substituting in that value. Yes. So in second pair, Z7 plus Z8 equal to Z11 plus Z12. Already we know that Z11 equal to 20, Z12 already we have found. So Z7 plus Z8 equal to 83. Now we have one equation, it is another equation. Two unknown, two equation. So Z7 is unknown, Z8 another unknown, two unknown, two equation. Just to substitute, instead of Z7 we can substitute 0.75 times of Z8 here. So 0.75 times of Z8 plus Z8. If we take common Z8, so 1 plus 0.75 will be the 1.75 into Z8 equal to 83. So Z8 will be the 48. So if we substitute Z8 in this equation, we can find the Z7, or we can substitute in this equation itself. Z8 equal to 48, 48 into 0.75, we will get the Z7. So in both in any one of the equation, we can substitute the Z8 value, we can get the Z7. So Z7 equal to 83 minus 48. So value will be 35. Then we need to go for third pair. In second stage, we need to go for third pair. So the third pair will be, the gear will be 9, 10. In first pair, we have chosen 11, 12. Second pair, we have chosen 7, 8. In third pair, we have to choose 9, 10. So for 9, 10, we need to choose the speed. For 9, 10, we need to choose the speed. For 9, 10, we need to choose the speed. The input speed will be 567. The output speed will be 1008. So for first pair, we have chosen this line. Second pair, we have chosen this line. For third pair, we have to choose this line. So it will be 11, 12. It will be 7, 8. It will be 9, 10. So input speed 567. Output speed will be 1008. Now we can move the problem. So second stage, third pair. So 567 to 1008. 567 to 1008. So gear 9 to 10. For first pair, we have chosen 11 to 12. In second pair, we have chosen 7 to 8. The third pair is 9 to 10. So 567 to 1008. So N9 will be 567. N10 will be 1008. So N9, Z9 divided by Z10 will be equal to N10 divided by N9. So these two speeds we can substitute here. So Z9 will be equal to 1.78 times of Z10. This equation we will get. Already we know that Z11 plus Z12 equal to Z7 plus Z8 equal to Z9 plus Z10. In that equation we can take any two. So Z9 plus Z10 equal to Z11 plus Z12. In this equation we can take even Z7 plus Z8 equal to Z11 plus Z12. That also we can take. That also correct only. So instead of Z11 plus Z12, we can take Z7 plus Z8 also. That is correct only. Z11 already we know, that is 20. Z12 already we have found 63. So Z9 plus Z10 equal to 83. So here instead of Z9, I am substituting 1.78 times of Z10. So plus Z10. Here I can take Z10 as a common. So 1 plus 1.78 will be 2.78 equal to 83. So Z10 will be the 30. So 83 divided by 2.78 will be 30. Now we have found Z10 value. We have to substitute in this equation. We can find the Z9. So Z9 equal to 83 minus 30. So will be equal to 53. Even we can substitute in this equation also. If we substitute Z10 as a 30 into 1.78 will be the Z9. Z9 equal to 53. So Z10 will be equal to 30. So in second stage we have completed 3 pair we have completed. In first stage also we need to do the same calculation. So 11, 12 we have completed, 7, 8 we have completed, then third pair 9, 10 we have completed. Now we need to do for first stage, that is for second stage. Now we need to do for first stage. 5, 6 we need to take as a first pair, 1 to 2 as a second pair, 3, 4 as a third pair. So now for first pair I am taking in first stage, first pair I am taking 5 and 6. For 5 and 6 I need to choose the corresponding speeds. In first stage, first pair, the input RPM will be 1800, the output RPM will be 567. So first pair will be 1800 to 567. Then second pair will be 1800 to 765. Then third pair will be 1800 to 1008. Now we are doing the calculation for the first pair first stage. So 1800 to 567. 1800 to 567. So first stage, first pair 1800 to 567. So first pair we will consider 5, 6. Then second pair will be 1, 2. Then third pair will be 3 to 4. Okay. So in first pair 5, 6. So I have to choose the formula as N5 divided by N6 equal to Z6 divided by Z5. I have to choose that formula. In this the minimum here is 5. So I am taking Z5 as a 20. So Z6 divided by Z5 equal to N5 divided by N6. Here Z6 equal to N5 divided by N6 into Z5. So it is a minimum number of t. So I am assuming Z5 as a 20. N5 will be 1800, N6 will be 567. I am substituting Z6 value as 63. So Z6 value as 63. Already we have assumed Z5 as a 20. So Z5, Z6 I have found. So first pair in first stage, first pair I have done. In first stage I have to do the second pair. So for that I have to choose the 1 to 2 gear. 1 to 2 gear. The same input RPM 1800, but this speed alone will vary. If you see here, previously we have done 1800 to 567. Now I have to do the calculation for 1800 to 765 for 1 to 2 gear. In next I have to do for 3 to 4. Now I have to do for 1 to 2 gear 1800 to 765. 1800 to 765. So 1800 to 765, 1 to 2 gear. So now I can use the formula N1 by N2 equal to Z2 divided by Z1. So that formula I can use. Another formula also I can use Z1 plus Z2 equal to Z5 plus So Z1 by Z2 equal to N2 by N1. So in that formula, N2 is 765, N1 is 1800. Just to substitute the value, I will get 0.43. Up Z1 equal to Z2 times of 0.43. So this equation we will get. So Z1 plus Z2 equal to Z5 plus Z6. That formula I can use. So here already we know that Z5 value is 20. Z6 value already we have found. So Z1 plus Z2 equal to 83. So here we have two unknowns, two equations. Z1 and Z2 is a two unknown. We have two equations, so we can easily solve this Z1 equation. We have to substitute here. So we have to substitute here. So Z1 equal to 0.43 times of Z2 plus Z2 equal to. So here I can take Z2 as a common. So 1 plus 0.43 will be the 1.43. So 1.43 times of Z2 equal to 83. So Z2 will be 58. So we have to substitute this Z2 value here. After substituting, we can get the Z1 value. Even we can substitute in this equation also. So Z1 equal to 25. So third pair will be 3 to 4. So already we have seen the 5 to 6. Now we have seen the 1 to 2. Then third pair will be 3 to 4. The same calculation we need to do. So in third pair, I have taken the RPM 1800, 1008, 3 to 4. So N3 by N4 equal to Z3 divided by Z4. Already we know that this is the input RPM, this is output RPM. So N3 will be 1800, N4 will be 1008. So Z3 will be equal to 0.6 times of Z4. That's all. So Z3 plus Z4 equal to Z5 plus Z6. Already we know that Z5 20, Z6 is 53. So Z3 plus Z4 equal to 83. So two equation, two unknown. If we substitute, we can get the Z3 and Z4. So Z3 and Z4 we can easily get. So this is the number of teeth. So Z1 value 25, Z2 value 58, Z3 is 30. Like that we have found the 12 number of teeth for the 9-speed gearbox. Thank you.